How to reverse premature graying of hair naturally. First, let's understand what is gray hair and how our hair becomes gray and finally white. Our hairs go through natural cycling in which they die and regenerate. In this process, as our age increases, the hair loses its natural color and instead of black, hair follicles generates gray hairs. Now let's discuss how some lifestyle changes make your hair color black. 1. Take enough vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, B, especially B12 and biotin. These vitamins make your hair healthy and keeps the natural color of your hair for a long time. 2. Take enough minerals. Zinc, copper, iron, magnesium, selenium. All these minerals keep your hairs healthy and also repair the hairs. 3. Stop smoking. Smoking has very adverse effects on hairs. It damages your hair follicles and shrinks the hair follicles. 4. Do not damage your hairs. Some hair care actions damage your hair that you don't know. Using hair dryers on high heat and hair straightener. Bleaching. Using a close toothbrush on wet hair. Using harsh chemical shampoos. Now some home remedies for gray hair. 1. Coconut oil. Heat coconut oil and apply it to your hair and massage it for 10 minutes at night, leave it overnight and wash it in the morning with a natural mild shampoo, or if you do not want to leave it overnight, then apply oil before 1 to 2 hours before your bath and wash it with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. 2. Amla juice. Try to drink 6 ounces of fresh amla juice daily to keep your hair healthy. 3. Ghee. Massage your hair with pure ghee twice a week. 4. Black sesame seeds. Eat 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds 2 to 3 times a week. It is very helpful in reversing gray hairs. 5. Onion juice. Onion juice is filled with sulfur, which boosts hair growth and maintaining natural hair color. Apply onion juice directly on your hairs and scalp and leave it for 30 minutes and wash it with a mild shampoo. Try these 2 to 3 times a week. 6. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has lots of health benefits. Take ashwagandha supplement with your diet. If you want to try ashwagandha supplement, I have put the best natural ashwagandha supplement link in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video.